Welcome back guys. In today's video we are going to download and install the Ollama. Basically, what is Ollama? Ollama is an open source tool that allows users to run LLMs, large language models, directly on their local machines. So you don't need any API key if you download the Ollama. So how to download Ollama? So to download it, you simply click here on download. You simply come to ollama.com/download. So if you are using Mac, you click here and download using this link. If you are using Linux, you simply copy this command and run it in terminal. If you are Windows user, you simply download using this link. So I'm using Linux and I already downloaded. Simply you can copy this one and paste here. So let me check my Ollama version. It is saying Ollama version is 0.9.3. So after downloading the Ollama, you have to pull the LLMs, large language models. So I already pulled some model. So how to check that? Simply I will type Ollama list. It will list down all the LLMs or models that are previously installed in your system. It is saying I have QN 2.5, this LLM, its ID is this one and its size is 4.7 GB. I have another model, it is embedding model, not an LLM. Its size is 669 MB. So how you will be able to download a model or LLM? Simply click here on models. There are different models like GPT-4, OSS, QN3, DeepSeek R1, QN3 Coder, Gamma 3 and so on. There are different models. So if I click on this one, so there are different versions like Llama 3.1 latest. Its size is 4.9 GB. Its context is 128K context window. Basically, you don't have to worry about that one. We'll discuss that later on what it is. And there is Llama 3.1 8 billion. Its size is 4.9 GB. So how to install or how to pull a model? You simply copy this command and you come to this terminal and paste this command. What this will do, it will download or pull this model Llama 3.1 latest if you run this command. If you want to pull different model like Llama 3.1 8 billion, you simply type Llama 3.1 colon 8 billion. So it will pull or run this model. Okay, in this way you will be able to pull any LLM from this list. So there is another source. If you come to github.com/ollama/ollama, there are other models here also like Gamma 3. It has 1 billion parameter. Its size is 815 MB. You can simply download using this command. And there is DeepSeek R1. Its parameters are 7 billion. Its size is 4.7 GB and you will be able to download using this command. And Ollama models and different other models. So you can download any model if you want. I will recommend that you simply pull this QN 2.5 latest model. So to pull this one, you simply type Ollama run and after that you type this name, that is QN 2.5 and latest. It will simply pull this model. I already pulled it. For you it may take some time, but for me, yeah, it is just running. If I type like hi, it will give me the response. It is saying hello, how can I assist you today? And if I ask who built you, it is saying I was created by Alibaba Cloud, specifically by QN. It is an LLM that is giving you the response and it is downloaded locally in your system. So it is yours basically. So now how to use this LLM in your Jupyter notebook or how to access it? You simply have to download some dependencies in your virtual environment. You have to run this command like pip install LangChain, then pip install LangChain community and also pip install LangChain Ollama. From LangChain Ollama import chat Ollama This C is capital and O is capital. Let me run it. After that, I will create the instance of chat Ollama. Here you have to specify the model name that you want to use in your Jupyter notebook. So I want to use this QN 2.5 latest that I have just downloaded. I will simply say Ctrl+Shift+C and paste here. Let me just store it in a variable and run it. So how to invoke this LLM? I will simply type llm.invoke, and here you have to type your query like who build you, and it will give you the response, and I'm going to store it in a result variable. Let me just run it, and after that I will simply print the result. First time it will take some time, so it is running. It is saying I was developed by Alibaba Cloud specifically as a part of QN project, and there is other detail. So if you don't want this extra detail, you simply type print result.content. It will only fetch the content. So it is clean response from LLM. So let me just ask another question like how are you, and let me run it. Let me just copy this one. It is saying I am just a digital entity here to help you. How can I assist you today? So you just successfully download and install the Ollama, and you just pull an LLM large language model, and you are using it in your laptop, in your local system. So congratulations. In next video we'll use this LLM in our LangGraph. So if you will ask some question, this LLM will give you the response. So for now that's it. Have a great day guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in next video.